I'm Devin, and if you like fashion and spiritual epiphanies, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to be packing for Miami. I have a sales trip this week, and I need 4 different outfits for this week. 2 outfits for company meetings, and 2 outfits for dinner. Pack for Miami with me. There will be empanadas. There will be margaritas. Unfortunately, there will also be work meetings. So, we need to find a way to look 75 and sexy. Not age-wise. And we need to find outfits that make us look like a bad business bitch. What would Mr. 305 do? Come to my closet. Closet tour. Ignore the huge things of laundry that I need to do, but I think I'm going to just start pulling clothes and putting it on my bed. And then later we can pick out all of the accessories and whatnot. All of my stuff is on the bottom shelf because I'm a short bitch and my boyfriend is 6'4".
I need a big butt.
An angel just entered the chat. So I looked up the weather. It's not going to be much different from where I'm at because I'm already in Florida. It may feel a little bit warmer, but it's still going to be in the 70s to 75 area. Because I'm anemic, I still need to wear long sleeves or a jacket with everything. I think like an over-the-shoulder long sleeve top is really cute and still like stylish and classy for work. So I'm going to pull this black one. I also have a similar one in gray. I'll just pull that in case. Now for outerwear, I always have lots of options for those. I have like a brown blazer and a skirt that are the same color and I could make them a set. It's definitely too warm for super furry, so maybe like a furry vest could be cute. We will play around and see. Leather jackets, silk jackets, those are always a vibe and classy for work. I guess I'll pull a few of those. This one is way too heavy duty for this weekend. And this silk one, it honestly keeps me pretty warm and it's like a satin bomber. I'll pull that one just in case. We have a super oversized black blazer and a normal size blazer. So for the sake of this video, I will pull all of those too. Oh, and I'll pull this brown leather jacket. Now for pants. I have skirts in a different section that I'll pull, but since I'm driving, I want to be comfy for the first and the last day. So I'll definitely want a bunch of jeans. This one is always really good with like other vintagey washes, so I'll pull that. Here are some of my skirts. This one's really pretty and classy, but I think it's a little too summery. So maybe not, but maybe so. I don't know. And then we have capris, which is definitely business, and make it bad bitch by pairing this with heels. Here is the brown skirt we were talking about. I'll throw that in the mix. Talk about a vintage wash. Very yellow toned capris. And it has the cutest details on this. throw that in there. And then we get to the really nice businessy outfits. Black pencil skirt, trouser pants, and then I have my diesel denim shorts, but I don't think any of that's the vibe I'm going for. I need some more jeans, like some baggy jeans to pull. These are very comfortable. They're kind of a lighter wash, so I'm not sure, but it has like brown details, so that could match with some of the brown things that I pulled also. I guess let's start out with what we have. Maybe I'll pull these just in case. I went ahead and pulled a few tank tops and some extra tops, but this is going to be the capsule for everything that I'm trying on and trying to make a fit out of. This was the first outfit I put on with the old school Doc Marten loafers. It's definitely giving comfy. It's kind of giving Tony Hawk skater vibes. It's a little too baggy to wear at work, especially with this top being kind of like so wide up here. Usually I love a baggy jean, but I just don't think this is giving like professional clean cut like I need to for work. So maybe a different pair of pants or potentially a skirt, because the top I feel really comfortable in. It's warm. But yeah, no for the first round. These are a little bit of a tighter fit. It's still baggy, and I'm still able to wear these loafers. Like, this is a very standard and basic outfit that I could dress up a lot with jewelry to make it a little bit more classy, more businessy. It's still slightly frumpy. Unless maybe I tucked in the t-shirt. I don't know if I love it tucked in or not. Maybe putting on a belt. That makes it look... The belt helps it look more streamlined with all the baggy, and I could slightly just let it kind of roll over the belt even. This could be a good option. I haven't made my final decision though. How long has this been sticking out? Yeah, but I could get my diesel bag to kind of... Maybe we'll try on the skirt option. Okay, I lied. I went and tried on capris, and this is actually, for some reason, more comfortable than the jeans. And I think it's a very slimming look. It's giving bonjour. It's giving elegance. It's giving I'm here for business. Let's see. If we put on Doc Martens, it turns into a caterer. I look like a little tiny dancer.
Ballerina cappuccina.
And with this, I would just carry like a big tote bag. Shiny? Or do we want matte? The heels are matte. Everything else on the outfit's matte. So I'd probably do this, and it's big enough to hold over my shoulder even with these baggy sleeves. So I went and put on all my jewelry and just like a little tiny necklace that my boyfriend gave me. Aww. And yeah, I think this is like really elegant business, and I'll still be warm because the office there is freezing cold. I think this one is pretty good. Outfit 1 completed. And then for the company dinner that night, I'll either want to wear the same top or the same bottoms, because I just don't like wasting clothes to wear for just half a day. So either pairing this with a skirt and like some boots, or either this with like a tight tank top and a jacket. I think by the end of the day, I'll want to get out of those pants. So I put on a little black tennis skirt with these slits and just paired it with these cowboy boots and traded it out for a mini purse. I really like the tennis skirt. It's really comfortable, but I don't know. The cowboy boots, it's definitely more casual. I mean, I think it's cute for, I'm pretty sure I've actually worn this to a birthday dinner before, but if I wanted to dress it up a little bit more, I could trade it out for some stiletto boots. But that might be a little bit extra for the company dinner. I don't know. Let's test it out. It's definitely cute. It kind of matches like the glossy purse vibe. The other one is just so comfy though. But I am kind of loving that this folded look matches the boot fold on the bottom also. I think I have to go with these, even though I don't feel like walking in them. And again, I would just wear, I think, like a simple heart necklace. Outfit number 2 completed. On to outfit number 3, which is day 2 of meetings. If you haven't noticed, I love the color black, but it's time to go one shade lighter, move up to brown. This was the outfit I was talking about where the blazer and the skirt could be a matching set. Right now it's absolutely drowning me, which usually I like an oversized blazer look, but that's only if you're wearing like a tiny little micro skirt. I tried to dress it up by using these stiletto boots again, but I think I'm going to have to really cinch the waist or maybe tuck in. Nope, I cannot do a French dip on this. No, this cannot be French tucked. If it were tied back like this, it would be very cute. I could put a fun colored bra or shirt underneath and leave it unbuttoned maybe. I'm gonna try the belt first. This is fun. This is kind of a power move, but I also look like a Jedi that's about to go fight my boss in a battle. So I love that it cinched my waist. I think I just need a different color, perhaps. This isn't much of a color upgrade, but it's more brown. And I could pair it with these kind of cheetah heels so that it all ties in the brown together and it makes it look more feminine rather than Jedi. I also have these red heels. I don't know if I'm loving either option, but I think heels rather than boots is the better option here. I don't know why, I just really want to make this blazer work because it seems professional and it's also comfy and warm. I don't know if I love how different the browns are though. Let me try one more belt.
Oh, hell no, man.
And to match, really shiny silver shoes. Okay, this outfit may just be getting worse and worse. It kind of looks like a bathrobe now. And this is why I never stray from black. So I tucked in this black tank top, threw on a leather jacket, put the baggy jeans back on, and the Doc Martens. Super comfy. The jeans might be a little bit too baggy to wear these Doc Martens, so I might trade them out. I put on a shoe that has a little bit more heel. It's these dark burgundy pointed heels. And to match for details, I put on this garnet necklace. Just to spice it up, I should add this red star belt. Outfit 3 completed. Dinner night option 2, because I'm going to Soho with my friend. Not sure if I liked the cuffed sleeves with this fur. I could also just wear it on the side like this, so it can keep my arms warm. Let me add like a little hat. This is literally so Bratz coded. That one Bratz video game where they're like London rocker girls. If you know, you know. This matches the red. I'm not sure about the black though. This is more of like that rock star kind of glam look. Matches the heels. Not really loving that because everything else is so extra. Just having like a plain brown bag that matches closer to this fur color is cute. It complements well with the red, or just like a plain beige bag to match the fur at the top. And it even has these cute little pink charms. While I really want to go with this one just because it's so fun and cute, I feel like it doesn't match as well, and it kind of dresses the outfit down a little bit. So I think I'm gonna go with this purse just to complement it better. Dinner look for outfit number 4. Thank you for playing dress up with me, and maybe you got some new outfit inspo. I'll definitely have more of these videos, more work trips, vacation trips coming up this year, so make sure to watch and subscribe for more.